Lifting and loading. Does it ever stop? Uh-oh. No! Yeah! Get my headphones, get my headphones, yeah! Get my headphones, get my headphones. These are sounds that sound cool. Y'all ready for this? Hey YouTubers, UC Blake back again for another Trackmaster Revolution or Trackmaster 2 unboxing review and first run. And here I have Thomas and the Jet Engine. So this is a remake from Trackmaster 2. This originally came out for Tommy with a surprise face Thomas. And the jet engine lights flashed. So that was pretty cool. But this is a remake of Trackmaster 2. Have a quick look at the box. Comes with a collector's card, which is a nice touch. And on the engines on the back, I've got all these, so I'll review all these for you guys. And I had to pay them for $41. Yeah, how expensive is that? Terrible. That's Busy Bee James, but I've got all these guys, so you'll see them review real soon. So, yeah, so we'll go ahead and unbox them. And I'm going to do it fast. Alright. So here's the collector's card. It's a jet engine from the episode Thompson Jet Engine from season 6. Sorry about that, the camera was about to fall over. So it says on the back there. So Gordon loves being faster than any other engines. Thomas wished to be fast as Gordon comes true when he had to collect a jet engine from the docks and delivered it to the airfield. Cranky accidentally knocked the switch from the jet engine, which sends Thomas rocketing up the track all over the island. And finally shooting past Gordon in the end, Gordon gets the last laugh because Thomas never does complete his delivery. And that's quite true actually, because they ended up at Knapford Station. So that was actually pretty funny. So, yeah. So, that's the collector's card. So that's quite nice. I'll be cleaning that. So let's have a look at the Thomas. So, looks like it's got branches, leaves and stones flicking up. Even though he didn't go any past bushes or other sidings. Nice detail with the paint streaks going past him, which is a nice touch. And he's got a old pilot's cap, which is really unnecessary, but I guess it gives it a nice touch. It does come off, so you can have a normal Thomas here, or Captain Thomas, which looks very funny on him actually. And unpainted buffers, not bad. Even the top of the cab even has paint streaks over. Looks like a miss of detail there. That's actually blue lining right there. So looks like sparks as well coming. So, very strange about that. So, here's the jet engine. This is a Trackmaster 2 jet engine. No switch at the top. It's got flames on the back, but it really flared. Like, it showed the flare. Didn't actually show flames coming out of the jet engine. Yeah. I guess so you can't do much about that. And then have a little mini wheelbase truck with some containers that came for Gator. So very interesting. I am still looking to get the original Thomason jet engine. Trying to find one at a good price. So yeah, quite strange, the new Thomas, but I'll get used to it. It's the greatest moments, so gotta get them, hey. Oh, not big enough. Wow, must be really deep in. Wasn't expecting that. There we are. Oh, that takes a bit of grunt, doesn't it? And we get our batteries. Alright, first test. Grindy one. Does run fast, like good old Trackmaster 2 is. I think it's actually skipping the gear. Yeah, it is too. So that's why it shakes like that and goes, and that makes that rubbing sound. But most Trackmaster 2 engines do that. I was quite surprised when they were going to release this. I went, yeah, I think I should get it. And yeah, it was on sale. Mind you, I didn't have to pay for 41 bucks. Don't know why the price has increased, but even though it dropped down 20% off all toys, so it dropped down to 30 bucks, which isn't too bad. Still better than 40 bucks, which I wasn't really going to pay for that. So yeah, so we'll go and follow down his good old activation tab, and we'll give Thomason the jet engine a first run. Okay, we got Thomas hitched up, or Captain Thomas. Here's the instructions. Just the same old stuff. You can pause the video at any time to have a quick read. And then down there has a picture of Thomas in the Railway series. So I moved the jet engine to the back, otherwise those crates would have caught fire. If that's flaming like that. So here we go. Captain Thomas and the jet engine. Trackmaster 2 remake. First run. Off we go. So, Thomas and the jet engine. That clicking sound, I don't know what that is, unless I've modified on the activation tab and it's actually so close to the gear. I don't know. But it's running surely well. It does look strange for that little jet engine, which just looks like a cylinder with flames coming out of it. I'm not planning to modify him anyway. I may paint the flames a bit redder, because right now it just looks like a dull red. Looks like, but make it redder makes it look a bit hotter. Haven't decided yet, but I've not planned to modify him at all. But he's running okay anyway. And with the Captain Thomas, Yeah, it surely looks alright. Got nice digital detail with the paint streaking all over him, and also the stones and the sticks and the leaves coming up, and the sparks even. That is a nice touch, but I'll be still looking out for that original Tommy Thomas. So yeah, this is me here. So don't forget to subscribe to join Blake's Railway, and don't forget to hit that like button. Free me on Facebook, UC Blake Speedway, and follow me on Twitter, UC Blake 2. More trains to review. Catch you up.
It looks something like this.